Kani-gadi Durand Meghalaya bani priang sobhai pi baro asya kathuk kubor menta ka janmit. Parlok mentangin ya pai syaki kubor. Ki kubor ki babnya. Ha kasngi ka baar jong ka dorbar sunrise jong ka ying dorbar thau an ka jilla kalyang persha kala kado halor ka jingnang kiu ki jing e ki bami na ka jing sapriang jong udrak ha ka jilla. UMLE ka VPP uba having stone karpran na mauring kneng ulabu jingkili ya menteri katanat social welfare uba pol lingdo ubala penpau ya ka jingdon kumbalai lak mut ki brio ki balangat ha ka jingkerni di drak ha ka babun ki dehi ki bana shlong uba pol lingdo ula penpau ru ya ka jingdon jong ki spotali ki rehabilitation center ha Meghalaya hinrio naki ki dehi ki bayo jingerap na ka sarkar kawe ka bayo jingerap pisa na ka sarkar pedeng bat laitali ki bala penyai da ki riu shimet ka sarkar kala dep ban baha san phoklor tingka na ka benta ki san snem ki ban wan ban ya le bat ki jing e jong udrak ringkat ka jing yo jingerap na ka sarkar pedeng.
Centers conform to the National Action Plan for Drug Demand Reduction, which is a scheme supported by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment of India. As far as the professional qualifications, all of the staff of these centers are professionals having qualified.
UMLE kaseng BJP na South Shillong constituency iba Shanbor Shulai ila terwa ya ki jingpen kala ha ka Meghalaya minor minerals concession rules arpo khatnrio ha ka bayade bat ka jingkhang badang shen ka balakta ya ki kam ki jam jong ki nongti ki barit ha ka zero hour notice iba Shulai ila batai shapang ka jingkong san jong ki small scale mining na ka benta ka kamai kaji jong ki nong shong shnong bat ka jing shakta jong ki try kali kit jingkit na ka jingkio ka dor permit ila kentu ya ka sarkar jela bakan penkala ya ki kendon an khnang ban ai lat ya ki small scale mining ki bala penyat kat kum ka mining lease lani ki quarry permit.
I would like to suggest the government to amend the Meghalaya minor mineral concession rules 2016 with a request to amend the rules for grant of permission for small-scale mining under mining lease or quarry permit. 2. Such exemption can be given to small-scale areas and government can fix areas of small-scale mining. 3. Exemption for use of heavy machinery for small-scale mining. 4. Permission for such mining can be included for quarry owners if the quarry owners can define small-scale mining for use of raw materials for quarry purpose.
Unong yalam jong kaseng VPP bat UMLE kanong krem iba adan mela basayamot ha ka jingatai balingkot ila kado halor ka jingnang kiu ka jingklut bat ka jingshit ha Khasi bat Jaintia Hills ila kentho ya ka jingle bamsut nyo jong ka sarkar jilla halor ka jingkala ka sun beneng da ka jingwan ra ya ki kampen roy bathamai haba jubab halor kani usembut menteri rangba iba preston tensong ila pentikna bala shim ya kilat kilenti ki banyarap ban pin ya biang ya ki kam penroy bat banya daru ya kamariang.
I'm asking how the government arrived at a 20% success rate. So what is the methodology? Whether is there any agency that the government is engaging? You cannot simply say that it depends on the statistics provided by the government. We want to know how the government arrived at a 20%, which may be registered. Yes, sir. Sorry, sir.
UMLE kaseng VPP iba having stone karprang ha ka call attention motion ila kado halor ka jingdon kam banya da ya ki telong ki badang don ha ka jingpentrai kam ya ka new Shillong water supply scheme ila banjor ru bakat ba ka jingthmu jong ka scheme ka long ban pendap ya ka jingduna ha ki shnong henry ka long ka bakong san pat ban penne ya ki telong ki badon Iba karpran ila ai jingmut ru bala dalong kabala ban ai lat ik kontraktor ki bana ka jilla ha ka ni ka project.
Through the new law specifically, that this project has been significantly in the news. However, this project to truly succeed is important that some people stand as raised by this NGO, New Delimitation Council. Serve as an administrative system from the new law area, which was my constituency. I'm aware of the challenges faced regarding water scarcity and also an access to clean and pure water.
Kementeri Katanat Pathai Khubor kakong Amprin Lingdo kala pentip hene kasngi baka sarkar jilla kan kintiu ya ka journalist welfare scheme 8,000 khandai ban pinkiu ya ki jingmentoy na ka benta ki nong tho Khubor ka scheme ka bathamai ka bakot lai pusan lak tingka kadang ya chakmat haringkat ka jingterwa ban pinkiu ya ka jingerap pisa na ka benta ki longying jong ki nong tho Khubor bat ki lat jing sumar ka sarkar kadang perkhat ru ban pinbiang ya ki ying na ka benta ki nong tho Khubor.
So we also have, in order to administer this, we have a committee, journalist welfare scheme committee. And so we have a corpus fund at that point of time of 5 lakh, always placed at the disposal of the DIPR budget. Then we also have these schemes specifically for accredited journalists only. So, journalists who suffer loss of life, also in unnatural circumstances, also are given a corpus and a relief of 1 lakh. Yes, sir, as of today, these are different parameters applicable and available for journalists.
Usambut Menteri Rangba Kejela iba Peston Tensong ila penskam hine kasngi baka District Council Affairs kala kemi benia halor ka Delimitation Bill kabala ai daka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council hashwa ban pha shaulat Kejela iba Tensong ila yathuru baka sarkar kanya kendu la shamtayo banya tai halor ka jingpen kenria jakasa yakibri ki basa ha Harijan Colony hadin ka jingpan por shu jong ka Harijan Panchayat Committee. Ki arngut ki nongruai bapau ka Assam bat Meghalaya Zubin Garg bat iba lu majau la penkup buram ha ka kerdan di literature degree ha ka sngi penkup buram ka ba shipau jong ka University of Science and Technology Meghalaya la ne ka USDM ki don baro shi hajar hendru spa lai pukandai ngut ki khna puli graduate ki bala sha penkup buram na ki ba khanyo ngut na ki la yo ya ka PhD degree khandai spa hendru ngut ki khna puli ya ka postgraduate degree but henyo spa khandru ngut ki la yo ya ka undergraduate degree. Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi urakam e sangma ula pli ya ka yeng bathamai jong ka Jaintia Higher Secondary School haringkat ka jingyadon lang jong udukot ka Rajya Sabha uba one way Roy Karluki bat u MLA ka Juwai uba Wailat Miki Shilla. Labai tingka ya kani ka yeng school na ka Special Central Assistance to Tribal Sub Scheme 2019 to 2020 Usang ma ulaya ro ya ka school managing committee halor ka jing tre shitam jongki ban kentiu ya ka puli puthi. Kinong yale akai arm wrestler ka Meghalaya kilayo ya ka jingjob ha ka World Arm Wrestling Championship ka ba Saupusan bat ha ka World Para Arm Wrestling Championship ka ba Arpunrio ha Moldova. Kinong yale akai kilayo bankur ya ki hinyotli kitakma ha ki kerdan baper ha ka ba ka Starina Jasan bat ka Margaret Pathau kilalong kinong yale akai ki papau ha ka ni ka Limpung. Kahinyo terap National Youth Front kala penong ya ka jing pediang buram ya kini kinong job. Ka BSF Intercommand Women Competition 2024 kala sedang ha ka Frontier Headquarters ka Badon ha Shillong bat laple da Inspector General Harbat Singh Dhillon. Hakani ka Limpung yale kai la yashim benta da ki nyo pongut ki kenthe na ka Eastern Command bat san pongut na ka Western Command ki bayakun ha ki jingele kai baper hakani ka sngi play perda la penlong ya ki program ki bakentup ya ka jing smai ka march pass bat ki jing pen I ya ki culture. Pusau ngut kinong yale akai badminton ka West Giant Hills kila penkre banya kun ha ka Limpung Meghalaya State Badminton Championship 2024 ka balai pukandai. Ka West Giant District Badminton Association kala penlong ya ka jingalang ai mensim ya kinong ishim benta bakin yale bha ha ka ni ka Limpung yale akai ka Banwan. U President ka Association uba di Perbot bat u Secretary uba Rimilian Pasa kila penslur ya kinong ishim benta bakin yale kai bha ha ka ni ka Limpung. Ya ka jingale akai semi-final jong ka Durand Cup 2024 ka ba laap kami linti bha la yale akai hapadeng ka Shillong Lajong FC bat ka North East United FC kala kutno hapadeng ka jingdiao na ka benta ka Shillong Lajong bat kinong kershan ki jongka Henry ka jingiet ya ka jingale akai football bat ka bor jong ka ni ka jingale akai ban penyeteli ka yang rasong hanong ba Shillong ha ka sngi yale akai tungin ya kami ya ka ni ka kubor.
Kakunhon yelekai North East United Football Club kalayo room sya ka jing yelekai final hadin ba kala penliam no ya ka Shillong Lajong dalai lanot ha ka jing yelekai semi final kabala penlong Haji and Stadium ka North East United kabala lam da coach u Juan Pedro Benali ubala penpau ya ka jing kemen ka jong u halor ka jing job bat ulayaro ya ka Durand Cup kabalong kum ka jing pen kre na ka benta ka Limpung Indian Super League. Coach jong ka Shillong Lajong u Jose Hevia hababatay halor ka jingile kai ulaong ba ka jing sha penram jong ka kenhon kadai na kadaw ka jing bombyang ha ka rukom pass ball.
I think Durand Cup is the best place to get competition, to prepare yourself for the ISL. You know, friendly game doesn't give competition. Friendly game doesn't prepare the player mentally, doesn't put him in stress. Even if you come to see our training, we try to put stress on the players. That when the game comes, it's easy, you know. I think Durand Cup is fantastic, but this is football, as I say. It's not a law. Each coach thinks differently. You know what we say. If there's 150 million people watching football today, they have 150 million coaches. Each one think different. As I said, clean sheet. I paid dinner to the players. Now I own them 2 dinners. And I say thank you very much. They could score like 1 goal, Shivam, but happy to do it.
However, I don't think there was a coordination problem today. It was they had 3 chances in the first half. They scored 2, and when you are 2 goals down, it's complicated to change the situation. But I think the team, till the second goal, the performance of the team was very good. Obviously, in the second half, with 2 goals down, it's very, very complicated to change. We had a lot of missed passes in the second half, and that's why we couldn't perform as we did in the previous match against East Bengal. But I don't think it was a coordination problem. I think so, from my point of view.
Hashwa jong ka jing le kai ka jing shong shit apren ki nong kershan kalalong ka bajur. Da ka rukom ye le kai bha jong ka kane ka kanhon ye le kai jong ka jila kalala ban kring yaki shaji in stadium wat lada ladep pante lot yaki ticket. Henry Tang ha stadium kinong kershan ki alum hakaleng ki benta jong ka shilong ban pet yak jing pen I live yak jing ye le kai da ka ju hi ka jing shitram. Kani ka jo ka jing shong shit jong kinong kershan la sakhiru hakhandai lat kabala shlei de kinong kershan jong ka shilong la jong ki bathap kti hamman ki kenti ba ka shilong la jong FC ka yo ya kalat pathap kul wat la ka jing le kai ka klem kut kat kum ka jing ang not jong kinong kershan ka shilong la jong henry kani kalala pat ban pen pau ya ka jing it ya ka jing le kai football hakithan chate lam mingi Bureau Report, DD News, Shillong.
Mentang ini pej ya kajing long jingman kasun beneng hanong ba Shillong. Kajing shit kalong kan riu point kandai degree Celsius, but kajing kriat kalong arpon riu point lai degree Celsius. Kajing ngam ka hau kalong nyup pra na kashis pa menstep, but nyup kandai na kashis pa janmit. Kala bandan kajing hap slap ka bamalu mala, but kajing tir upper that haki babun ki jaka. Di parlok katung ilapoi syaka bakut jang katuk kubuar jengi mata kejanmit haduk mengitai champion wat pilih syai kesini kublai pibaro.
Leaders reviewed progress on a number of bilateral issues and discussed measures to further strengthen the special and privileged strategic partnership between India and Russia.